Some of the early Muslims said that contemplation for a few moments is like the worship of a lifetime. And that's one of the great benefits of going for walks in nature and taking some time to reflect and remember Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and appreciate the beauty in creation. But then to fuel that reflection into gratitude and the resolve to turn to the Lord of beauty and majesty, and to strive through gratitude to traverse to love of the most beautiful, the most majestic, the most magnificent. May Allah grant us this reflection, this gratitude, this remembrance, this resolve.